Jess, you're the most kind, intelligent, compassionate woman I've ever known. I know you're the one. This is from our first date. I never knew I could live a life so full of love and laughter until I met you.
Good, you got this.
Okay, tell us my homegirl. We're gonna have you layer a foundation. Oh yeah, we got you covered.
Will, you are the love of my life, today and always. In our years together, you have taught me to love myself on my darkest days, to never take myself too seriously, to laugh way more than I cry, even though that is evidently very hard to do sometimes, to say yes more often, and to always believe in what I'm capable of. I love you for so many reasons, but most importantly, I love you because you are my home.
Welcome, family and friends. Will and Jess have chosen you, those most important to them, to witness their wedding vows and to celebrate this special time in their lives. In the time that they have been together, their love and understanding for each other has grown, and now they are committing to formalize their relationship as husband and wife.
Our time has come. Every song has been sung. When the fire's burning low, I still want you to know that I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you.
I love you because you are my safe place and my greatest adventure, all rolled up into the perfect person. On this adventure of our lifetime, I promise to spend all of my days loving you, caring for you, and laughing with you.
I didn't know I was capable of loving anything as much as I love you. Every day I spend with you the day I cherish. I look forward to spending every day with you until my last. I promise to continue to unconditionally love you, support you, trust you, and work to be worthy of your love. Just love you with the same unrelenting faith and trust that you've given me for the last 5 years.
I promise to always be grateful for the happiness you bring me and to be an honest, patient, and forgiving partner. I will respect and encourage you and help you shoulder the challenges that we will face together.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the beautiful province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. Will, you may now kiss your bride.
Not to judge when you put too much hot sauce on your food to the point where you can't eat it and you struggle anyway. And I promise to always remind you not to rub your eyes.
I take you to be my partner through all of our successes and hardships, through all of the laughter and tears, in sickness and in health for all of the days of my life.
I will always be faithful, honest, and I will continue to work for your love from this day until my last.